सारा मार्केट का अगर हम जायजा लें एट द मोमेंट मार्केट में काफ़ी सेलिंग प्रेशर नज़र आ रहा है। अर्लियर हमने मार्केट को पॉजिटिव टेरिटरी से भी जाते देखा था। मुझे सेंटिमेंट के बारे में बताइएगा कि इस वक्त सेंटिमेंट जो है इक्विटी डेस्क के ऊपर क्या है?
I mean, naturally, most of the stocks are on lower log, so you can probably see that trading activity is very low. And that is obviously a result of the constant political impasse that we are going through. And until unless this doesn't have any clarity, I think we will continue to see low volumes.
Sara, as far as the international investors are concerned, आप मार्केट में किसी किस्म की एक्टिविटी देख रहे हैं उनकी तरफ से?
नहीं, कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है ना. If the traded volumes are so low, it becomes very difficult for any investor to sort of exit or even enter, given that downside is pretty much evident. So even on the international front, we aren't seeing much of activity.
लेकिन सारा यहाँ पे जो लेवल्स हैं इस वक्त इंडेक्स के वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लग रहे हैं. एंड एज फार एज वैल्यूएशंस आर कंसर्न, डोंट यू थिंक कि वैल्यूएशंस जो है अभी भी इंटैक्ट हैं?
नहीं, definitely valuations are intact. Earnings growth is pretty positive as far as dividend yield is also concerned. But if you look at market yield and if you compare that with the interest rate and the possibility of an interest rate hike, then they're certainly not very attractive, which means a market could potentially derate in order to increase its market yield, right? Secondly, I think if you talk from an international perspective, other markets have also come off in line with Pakistan market. So just like Pakistan being extremely attractive on valuations, so is India, Philippines, Vietnam. All these markets have come off. So just on the basis of valuation, I think across the board all Asian markets are offering good valuations. But at least I think the cherry topping with Pakistan is that we have this political impasse for now. If that clears out, then yes, definitely we could see some upside.
जी सारा, कुछ लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स के हवाले से ये भी खबर सामने आई है कि पाकिस्तान की जो इक्विटी मार्केट है इट हैज़ बीन रेटेड एज अ सेकंड वर्स्ट परफॉर्मर इन एशिया. तो उस हवाले
एनालिसिस ऑफ ईयर टू डेट परफॉर्मेंस क्या रही है. And there are times when India was the worst performing market and Pakistan was the top performing market. So I think this keeps on happening, and this is no rating as such, but this is just a snapshot of what the returns have been. If Pakistan is probably the second worst performing market, that is attributable not just to domestic situation, but also internationally.